Zhidou Auto officially launched its new model Zhidou Rainbow on April 18. The new car is the first product of the Zhidou brand after a comprehensive renovation. It is positioned as a micro-electric vehicle that competitors will target. It is in the same category as popular products such as Wuling Hongguang MINIEV and Chery QQ ice cream. It is reported that the new car will be available in 7 different colors and will have a maximum range of 205 kilometers. Apparently, the new car has a square box design like the Hongguang MINIEV. It adopts a 3-door and 4-seat layout. The overall style is very cute. In terms of details, the Y-shaped daytime running lights are very eye-catching and match well with the large air intake below, which can effectively increase the recognition of the whole vehicle. The side of the new car uses a lot of horizontal lines, which has a good sense of visual extension. The new car also uses a Y-shaped light cluster at the rear of the car, which resonates well with the front of the car. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the new car are 3224/1515/1630 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,100 mm, overall larger than Hongguang MINIEV. Inside, the new car adopts a simple and pleasant design with many circular design elements used in the details. The dual-spoke steering wheel, floating instruments and central control display all have a good sense of technology. In terms of power, the new car will be equipped with a single engine with a maximum power of 30 kilowatts. The battery uses Guoxian high-tech lithium iron phosphate battery with a cruising range of 201 kilometers and 205 kilometers.